Hello and welcome to parquetflooringdubai.ae. In this video, we will guide you through the process of applying epoxy floor paint, so you can have a beautiful and long-lasting floor that will impress everyone who sees it. Epoxy floor paint is a popular flooring solution that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. It is a two-part coating system that consists of a resin and a hardener. The mixture of these two parts creates a chemical reaction that produces a strong, durable, and long-lasting coating that is perfect for high-traffic areas. Epoxy floor paint is also resistant to stains, chemicals, and moisture, making it an ideal choice for garages, basements, and other industrial and commercial spaces. The first step in applying epoxy floor paint is to prepare the surface. The surface must be clean, dry, and free of any debris, oil, or grease. To prepare the surface, you will need to clean it with a degreaser, rinse it with water, and let it dry completely. Once the surface is prepared, you can begin to apply the epoxy floor paint. Start by mixing the two parts of the epoxy according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then, use a roller or brush to apply the epoxy to the floor. Be sure to work in small sections and to spread the epoxy evenly. You may need to apply multiple coats depending on the desired thickness and durability. After you have applied the epoxy floor paint, you will need to let it dry for the recommended time. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days depending on the product and the conditions. Once the epoxy has dried, you can add a top coat to provide extra protection and durability. Thank you for watching this video on how to apply epoxy floor paint. We hope that you found this video helpful and informative.